stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, so she's afraid of heights. But look at you! You-
Big boot.
You saw a big poop?
Yeah.
Like that?
Papa, what do you think?
Oh.
Mama,
Yes.
where would the two other star coins be?
Are you tooting?
That's my bot. I think I see something.
What?
I think I hear something shiny behind the tree. I think I hear something shiny
You're
behind
glowing,
the
Ellie.
tree. Glowing?
Yeah.
I
What? What?
I was like, I don't know the size of the dog that made that poop.
That's really gross. Frankie! Hi, baby! Hi! Look at you, Fluffum!
Mom,
What?
I hear something shiny behind a tree.
You do?
Yeah.
Are we lost?
What's that smell?
Kev, I'm making a video. Do you really want to talk about poop?
Hey,
Well, Delaney was looking at it too.
Tell us. Tell us, Mr. Hinman.
So there's a spectrum of fecal diameter. And
I guess it's not behind the tree. Turn ahead!
Turn ahead.
Yeah. There's a turn.
you know
We
you
got the turn.
I do love you.
Turn, Mom.
Okay, and let's get this one. This one's attached to me. And he was eating a chocolate bar.
Papa,
That's all over me.
you